All right, guys, today we're going to practice our L blend. So the letter L says L, and then we're going to add another consonant in front of it to change its sound. So the blends that we're going to focus on are the blends that you see in front of you. So BL says bl, bl. CL says cool, as in clean. FL says fl, as in flash, flash. GL as in glass, glass. PL as in pl, and SL as in slide. So let's look at our pictures here. What does this word say? Ack. That's right here. What about this one? Cloud. Good job. What about this word? Flower. Good job. This word, glue. And then this word, plate. Good job. And then this one, sleep. Awesome job. All right, so let's read a quick story that has the L blends. So the title is called Clean Up. I like to clean up the playground. So I see CL, and then I also see the PL. Okay, yep. Let's go ahead and see if it'll let us do that. Yep, and we have the CL right here. Awesome job. I clean up the trash. Do you see a CL blend in there? If you said right here, you are right. CL. Good job. Look, a flower. Do you see another L blend? Yep, right here. FL, flower. I clean off the slide. Miss Esther sees two here. I see clean, and I also see slide. Good job. I clean with my gloves. So I see clean again. And then I also see another one. Do you see it? Good job. Gloves. And then the last picture. I can play on the blue clean slides. Miss Esther sees 4. Can you see them? Yep. Play. Good job. And there's 3 more. Yep. Clean and blue and slide. Awesome job, scholars. All right, so on the next slide, let's see if we can figure out how to finish these sentences. I went to the playground. What would go here? Yep, you're right. PL, playground. I slid down the slide. Which one says flew? Did you say SL? Good job. I went fast. I flew down. Which one should go here? Flew. Good job. But then I slipped off. I sliced up my arm. Which sound says slip and slice? Did you say SL? Awesome job. It is black and blue and bleeding. Which sound says blue? Did you say BL? You're doing great. And then last sentence. I'm going home to sleep. If you said SL, awesome job. All right, so on the next slide, or on the next part, you're going to be finishing a Nearpod where you have to write in the blends that go with each of these pictures. Okay? All right, so head on over.